when he comes to India, he brings his aeroplane, he brings his ministers with him. Similarly, when Krishna comes in Kaliyuga, Goloka, he brings his dham, he brings his Janmasthan, he brings his associates. Everybody, they take birth in different parts of Bengal. Krishna told, you take birth, the Devtas also and his Parshadas also, you take birth in different parts of Bengal to purify all the villages. Because जहाँ जहाँ वैष्णव का जन्म होता है वहाँ 21 किलोमीटर का उद्धार हो जाता है. Wherever Vaishnava, pure Vaishnava is born, a whole place is delivered. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu told his associate devotees to take birth in all the holy places around. So when his janma was there, everybody came to meet, have darshan of Bal Nimai, and that is the milan of Gauranga and his devotees. Sango Pangastra Parshadam. In Kaliyuga, Gauranga came with only 3 weapons. Krishna had Sudarshan Chakra, but in Kaliyuga, Krishna did not come with Sudarshan Chakra. What 3 weapons he had? In the Bhagavatam. Nobody of you has read Srimad Bhagavatam. Sango Pangastra Parshadam. First astra is his Naam. Yajnai Sankirtanai Prayer. By the holy name, by giving Naam, he is not killing the papis, but he is purifying everybody. So Naam is the first Shastra in Kaliyuga. The second Shastra is Gauranga's Anga, Sanga Panga. His bodily forms are like golden color. Anybody who sees Gauranga's Anga, golden Anga, he gets Krishna Prem. In South India for 2 years when Gauranga was going, all the people became mad. New people, they saw Gauranga, Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. They became mad. Tears started coming from their eyes. Then they went to the village. The whole village became mad. Haribol, Haribol, Haribol. Then from that village he went to the other village. There also Haribol, Haribol. Every became about Krishna Prem just by seeing his bodily beauty, golden beauty like Kamadev. Millions of Kamadev. And the third astra is his bhaktas. He did not come alone but with all his bhaktas. Sango Pangastra Parshadam, with his Parshadas. Because alone Gauranga said, I cannot distribute this Krishna Prem Phal. I need so many volunteers. Some volunteer will distribute in Dubai Krishna Prem Phal. But we are volunteers of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. We should never forget, we are not independent. If we become independent, then we cannot give Prem Phal. Only we can get phal from the tree. We cannot make our own phal. So Gauranga is the tree. Advaita Acharya is the branch. Nityananda is the main branch. 2 main branch. The root is the Madhavendra Puri. And the 9 sub-roots are the 9 disciples of Madhavendra Puri. So this whole tree is distributing Krishna Prem and we are like volunteers. We have to eat the phal first and then distribute. आप नवदीप आएंगे तो आप प्रेम का फल खा रहे हैं, फिर आप दुबई में जाके उसको बांटेंगे. कंजूस मत होना. If you become miser, then your rasa will also go away. जो कंजूस होता है ना, घर में तिजोरी में पैसा बंद रखता है तो उसका पैसा भी कोई चोरी हो जाता है. So you are getting Krishna Prem in Mayapur. Navdeep, you go and distribute. Tell everybody about Gauranga. Kaliyug ka avatar. You know? Do you know? I don't know. Then you just say Gauranga once. Who is this Gauranga? Oh, I did not hear you. Please say again. Who is this Gauranga? Make him chant somehow. One sannyasi came to Achyutananda, Advaita Acharya's son. He is saying, who is this Gauranga? Achyutananda said, what is it? Tell me again. Who is this Gauranga? He chant the name again. I did not hear you. He made him chant few times. Then that fellow started crying. He got prem. Who is this Gauranga? So, I don't, in Dubai it is not allowed publicly, but you can do it privately. I will tell you about Gauranga. Sit down. Nityananda. If you tell one person about Kali Yuga avatar, then Krishna is very happy. Because this is the latest incarnation. If you want money, taxes, then you will go to the chief minister of Dubai. You will not come to the chief minister of Bengal, right? Wherever you are staying, you will go to them first. I don't know, maybe not the chief minister, kya bolte hain? Sheikh. So you will go to him. So if you are born in Kali Yuga, first you have to come to Kali Yuga avatar. Gaur Nitai. Then they will give blessings. Then you can go to Radha Krishna. So first go to Radha Krishna through Gauranga. Gauranga Charanam Bhoja Makaranda Madhuvrata Sadhanena Vinaradham Krishnam Praptis Nishchitam. You will get Krishna 100%. If you accept Nityananda and Gauranga, then you will get Radha Krishna very soon, very quickly, by coming to the Yoga Peeth. So now we will have darshan of the three deities. We will have pradakshina of the Yoga Peeth. Then we will have pradakshina of the neem tree, under which the Lord was born, and the house of Jagannath Mishra. At the back side is Kshatrapal and Vriddha Shiva. This place is known as Mayapur because Prodha Maya, there was a Prodha Maya Ghat here, Mayapur Ghat. And Prodha Maya has gone, when the Ganga came, Prodha Maya has gone to Koladvip. We will see the darshan day after tomorrow. Prodha Maya is in Koladvip. So Maya went, but still it is known as Mayapur because Maya will remove the cover if we come with the proper attitude. Kshatrapal, Shiva is guarding. Like in Gokul, there is Lord Shiva inside Gokul temple. If you have been to Gokul Dham in Vrindavan, similarly Shiva is present here in this Gokul, Navdeep Gokul also as Kshatrapal and Gopishwar. Gopishwar Mahadev, there also it is Gopishwar here also. Shiva is seeing all the Balya Leela. Shiva wants to see Nimai's Balya Leela, like he came in Gokul to see Krishna's Balya Leela. So Shiva is also present here. There too Shiva is there because Parvati has come. But here Shiva is present directly in the house of Jagannath Mishra and Sachi Mata. Yashoda Maiya, Devaki Maiya, Kaushalya Maiya, Prishni Maiya and Aditi Maiya. All the mothers in all the incarnations of Krishna, they combined in one form of Sachi Maiya. तो सची मैया का पूजा करने से सब मैया का पूजा हो जाता है, सब अवतार का. And in Bengali, a mother is known as Ai. Ai in Marathi also, Ai. So when you say Ai, then all the pap is finished. Because you are calling Sachi Mata, Jagan Mata. And Nanda Baba, Vasudev, Dashrath, Kashyap and Sutapa, all the fathers of all incarnations, they merged in the form of Jagannath Mishra. He was the most Pavitra Brahman in all the three worlds. His heart was very, very pure. So the Gauranga came in the mind of Jagannath Mishra. Then he went in the heart of Jagannath Mishra. Then from the heart of Jagannath Mishra, he was transferred to the heart of Sachi Mata. There was no Sambhog. भगवान का जन्म हमारे जैसा जन्म नहीं है. There was no intercourse between. There was no. The Lord went from the heart of Jagannath Mishra into the heart of Sachi Mata, and the Lord was directly appeared from the heart of Sachi Mata. The Lord does not even go in the womb. The womb is not a pure place for the Lord to stay. The heart is the center of bhakti. So Gauranga appeared from the heart of Sachi Mata as Nimai after 13 months here on 18th February 1486. Even 18, 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Gauranga Mahaprabhu wanted to spread Nava Bhakti, the 9 kinds of Bhakti. So he came on 18th February, Navadha Bhakti. From Shraddha to Prem also is 9 steps in bhakti. Shraddha, sadhu sanga, bhajan kriya, anartha nivrutti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem. 9 steps are there in bhakti. So all these 9 steps Gauranga is taking us quickly, very fast. From Shraddha to Prem, directly. So this island is the Antardvip. Brahma ji came here to perform tapasya. After, आप सब जानते हैं कि ब्रह्मा जी ने भगवान का अपराध किया था. ब्रह्मा जी he kidnapped ना थोड़ा सा रास्ता all the coward boys and he took them, put them in the cave. So Brahma ji was feeling very sorry. Brahma ji came here and he was praying to Krishna, you are coming as Gauranga, please forgive my aparadh. I kidnapped for 1 year, I kidnapped all your coward boys, I kidnapped all your cows. So Gauranga gave darshan to Brahma ji here, that is why it's known as Antardvip. अपने अंतर की कथा भगवान को ब्रह्मा ने बताया. Brahma had told his antar things to Gauranga and Gauranga also revealed his antar here to Brahma. Gauranga said, I will come in Kali Yuga here as Gaura Sundar. You will come in my Leela as Haridas Thakur. Namachari Haridas Thakur. Brahma said, please don't give me any post and any position, because if I get any position then I will become very proud. Ahankar aa jayega. तो आमी तुच्छ होइबे, आमी नम्र होइबे, निरंतर हरि नाम करिबे. खंड खंड यदि देहो यदि जाए प्राण, तबु आमी बदने ना छाड़िबो हरि नाम. Haridas Thakur came to Mayapur. Before Gauranga came, he was staying in Advaita Bhavan, and Advaita Acharya and Haridas were dancing, and on the day of Gaur Purnima, they both felt very happy in the heart. They started dancing, they knew that the Lord is getting born. They were dancing jubilantly, and everybody, they thought, in everybody's heart happiness came. And Advaita Acharya understood the Lord. Golokapati Bhavendra Nandan, Krishna has Sakshat appeared in Yogapeeth as Sachinandan. Brajendra Nandan Ji Sachi Sutta Hoilo Sei Balaram Hoilo Nitai. So Balaram appeared as Nitai in Radhadesh, which we saw darshan yesterday. Ekachakra, and Nimai appeared. Thank you very much. Bolo Yogapeeth Dham ki Mayapur Dham Shri Yogapeeth Avishkarak Shri Rupanuga Pravar Shri Sachidanando Saptam Goswami Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki Yo Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki Shri Kamal Manjari Bhakti Vinod Thakur ki Gaur Premanande. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is a Kishore here, and in Vrindavan, in Braj Leela, Radhakund, he is Kamal Manjari, 12.5-year-old Gopika, Manjari form. With he's serving camphor, Kapur, Radha Krishna को अच्छा वो पान में कपूर डाल के सुंदर सेवा भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर कर रहे हैं वहाँ राधा कुंड में, और यहाँ भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर is serving Gaur Nitai, Panchatattva in a Kishore form. So he is our Acharya. Very, very fortunate we are coming in his dhara. Bhakti Vinod dhara te joi bhakto asibe, shei bhakto bada bhagyavan. Any devotee who is accepting Bhakti Vinod Thakur's dhara is the most fortunate in this Kali Yuga, because Bhakti Vinod Thakur's books are on the level of the Goswamis. He is the 7th Goswami. Nishikant he was Krishnadas. Some say he is the 7th Goswami, because his books are the essence. In simple Bengali language, he has given the whole essence of the Sanskrit language. He has written 100 books. Bhakti Vinod Thakur. आपको आज बुक मैं दूंगा. Today I give you his book. You can read Navdeep Dham Mahatmya, everything. Gaur Premanande.